In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Canva Pro Team invite link. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Open your web browser, go to the Canva website, and sign in with your usual login details. Once you're on the Canva home screen, we're going to head straight to your account settings to access the team invite options. Look towards the bottom left corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar, depending on how your account is set up. Click on that profile icon and a small menu will appear. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open up the main settings area for your Canva account. Inside the settings page, pay attention to the left-hand panel. This is where Canva organizes different sections like your account, billing, and team controls. Look for the section called People Management. Under that section, you'll see an option named People. Go ahead and click on People. Now you're inside the People area, which is where you manage team members for your Canva Pro account. Here you can usually see the people who are already part of your team, along with their roles and permissions. What we're interested in is the option to add new people to your team. Scroll down to the bottom of this page, and you should see a button or link that says plus invite people. Click on this. When you do, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. This pop-up is where Canva lets you invite others to join your team. Inside that pop-up, look for the section that says Invite People via Link. Canva automatically generates a unique team invite link for you here. This is the link that anyone can use to join your Canva Pro team, as long as they have access and your plan supports it. All you need to do now is copy that link. You can usually do this by clicking a small copy icon next to the link, or by selecting it and using your normal copy shortcut. Once it's copied, you can paste it anywhere you like. Send it in an email, drop it in a chat message, or share it with your team through your usual communication tools. And that's it. You've successfully generated and copied your Canva Pro Team invite link, and you're ready to share it with anyone you want to add to your team.